Hi there! Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a locally attached printer using Windows 2008. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and open up the command prompt. And we're going to type in server manager cmd.exe -install net it's net -xps-viewer. Oh, I didn't even type it right. Okay. Server manager cmd.exe -install net xps viewer. So we're going to go ahead and wait for that command to complete. I'm just going to wait here just a few seconds while that installation finishes. Even though it seems like it takes a long time, these installations, at least in my experience, are faster than doing them through the GUI. Bear with me a few more seconds while this goes ahead and installs. Should be done here shortly. Okay, we're almost done there. 79% out of 100. Bear with me a few more seconds. This is really taking longer than I thought it would. I do apologize. But I don't want to pause the video because last time I did it crashed. So, looks like we have been successful. So we're going to go ahead and close the command prompt. We're going to open up the control panel. And we have classic views, so we're going to go ahead and double click printers. And we're going to click the add a printer icon up here. And we're going to go ahead and click add a local printer. And the existing port we're going to use is LPT1, the printer port, and we're going to click next. And it wants us to just browse and find generic. And it wants us to do the generic text-only driver right here. So we're going to go ahead and hit next. And in the printer name, we're going to go ahead and just call it printer 01. Oops. And we do not want to share the printer. We're going to click next. And we've successfully added it, and you can see there's our printer right there. Alrighty, well, I do thank you for watching my video on installing a local printer. I hope you learned something, and I hope you have yourself a great day.